Have you ever made a decision only to regret it later? Well, I've been there too. See, in most cases, we make decisions out of noise. But today, I want to give you a very simple technique that will enable you make decisions out of clarity. Remember, for you to create wealth, you need a lot of clarity. And for wealth to be created, it has to be created with a lot of decisions. Usually, there's a lot of noise around our heads. We live in a very noisy world. Only those who slow down to listen are the ones who win through this world. If decisions are coming from a point of chaos, you notice that those decisions won't feed destiny. So there's a very big need to come back to clarity. I know you might be asking, hey Ishara, how do I come back to clarity, or how do I create from clarity? So clarity begins by ensuring that your body, your mind, and your spirit work hand in hand. How is this possible? It is only possible through stillness. The moment you go into silence, something happens. Your nervous system relaxes. Your body relaxes. Your mind stops shouting, or it stops with that chatter. And then your soul begins to rise. Your wisdom emerges. Every time you get into silence, you're training your entire system to clarity. You're training your entire system to understand peace. So when that happens, you notice that the mind will quiet and the soul will begin speaking loudly. What does this mean in decision making? You're not again making decisions from noise, but you're making decisions from inner knowing. And here are the advantages of clarity. Whenever you have clarity, actions feel seamless. Decisions become easier to make. You don't feel empty. Your appetite narrows. If your appetite was always revolving around distraction, that changes. The decisions that are being made are now coming from a point of purpose. These decisions are now helping you grow towards your purpose. But walk through the world with noise around your head. You see how things begin getting difficult and difficult and difficult. So to you that is listening to me now, what decision did you make and you felt like this is not the right decision? And from today, begin making decisions out of clarity. Begin allowing your body to get used to stillness. It is only from clarity that you can build a strong structure. If this touched something in you, make sure that you follow me for more truth that awaken your sense of clarity.